Here in the test kitchen, we love when we can make a dish that, well, let's just say, can wear a bunch of hats. And the corn and black bean salsa that we're making today does just that. Since it's easy to throw together and lasts for a bit in the fridge, it's the perfect dish to keep on hand. Let me show you what I mean. We start by combining a can of drained black beans with thawed frozen corn, some chopped red bell pepper, a good amount of cilantro, and a few sliced scallions. Then, to make the dressing that brings this combo to life, we add some balsamic vinegar to a bit of lime juice, along with some vegetable oil, cumin, and a bit of salt. Once this is whisked together, we pour it over our black bean mixture and pop it in the fridge to chill for a bit. The nice thing about this is that you can enjoy it as a colorful, good-for-you side dish, or spoon it over grilled chicken or fish to turn a ho-hum dinner into one that is yum-yum. To get the recipe for what we call our Save-the-Day Black Bean Salsa, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and fresh-tasting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.